afternoon, everyone. Naimbag nga malen, Robinson Ilocos. Tama naman ba, no? Alright. Good afternoon once again. Honor Philippines welcomes you all to the grand opening of the Honor Experience store here at Robinsons Ilocos. No, we are not just opening the store, but we are unlocking new opportunities to experience innovation firsthand. But of course, this milestone wouldn't be possible without the unwavering support of our esteemed leader from the Silicon Valley, of course represented by the cluster head Marco Clifford Agruda, and of course we have China de la Cruz Concept Store OIC. Thank you so much, ma'am. Of course, a huge appreciation as well to our dedicated Honor Philippines team. We have the trade marketing team here represented by Carla Nancas. Of course, we have the sales team represented by G and Erlan. You guys there. Of course, from the trade department headed by, of course, we have Gina Lomanca and his team. Of course, I won't forget the brand marketing team here and the team of events. Thank you guys for this one. Your hard work has made this day a reality. And of course, to our executive partners from Robinsons Ilocos, headed by, we have here Mr. John Paul Antonio, Robinsons Small Admin Manager. Thank you for this partnership, sir. And of course, a warm welcome to our media friends, content creators, bloggers across the Ilocos region. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagpunta dito sa Robinsons Ilocos. And of course, to make today even more exciting, we are launching the first day sale of the Honor X8C, of course, which is now available nationwide. Honor X8C is a device designed for the modern Filipino. The Honor X8C is your ultimate digital companion because it has a power that lasts all day. Second, it is stylish and trendy. It has a sleek design that complements everyone's lifestyle. Of course, it is content creation ready for your capture and study photos and videos effortlessly. And of course, it has a premium AI features in a very affordable price. Later on, we will reveal the price of the Honor X8C. You can enjoy the top tier tech without breaking the bank.